In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your conversations and entire chat history in Google Gemini on Android. First, pick up your Android device and make sure it's unlocked and connected to the internet. Then, open the Google Gemini app. This is the app where you normally chat with Gemini. So look for the familiar icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap it once to launch. Once the app is open, you should see your recent chats or the main Gemini home screen. To manage or delete your conversations, you'll need to go into the app's settings. Look toward the top right corner of the screen for your profile picture or account icon. Tap on that icon to open the account menu. In this menu, look for an option related to settings or data and privacy. The wording can vary slightly depending on your app version, but you're looking for a section that controls how your activity and chat history are stored. Tap on that to open the detailed settings. Inside this area, you should see options related to your Gemini activity or history. Here, you can usually view your past conversations and manage how long they're kept. To delete specific conversations only, find the list of individual chats. Tap on a conversation you want to remove, and then look for a delete or trash icon. Confirm that you want to delete it. Repeat this process for any other individual conversations you no longer want to keep. This is useful if you just want to clear out certain chats while keeping others. If you want to delete your entire chat history instead, look for an option such as Delete All Activity, Clear Chat History, or something similar. This option is often highlighted or placed in a separate section because it's more permanent. When you tap it, the app will usually show a confirmation message explaining that all your conversations will be removed. Read this carefully, and if you're sure you want to proceed, confirm the deletion. After you confirm, give the app a few moments to process. Your chat list should now be empty, or at least missing the conversations you chose to delete. If you don't see changes right away, try closing and reopening the app to refresh. Finally, remember that once your history is deleted, you generally can't recover those messages. Take a moment before confirming any delete all action to be sure there's nothing important you still need.